It does look like it's gonna rain, man.
But it's not.
Yeah. Man, this zoom's in really slow. And blurry. Why is there water in that if it didn't rain there? It's raining outside.
That's what?
It's not what?
Nuh-uh.
It's not what?
Nuh-uh.
It's not what?
Nuh-uh. Don't let anyone.
It's cold outside. Now it is.
Feel the slide.
It's not wet, is it? No.
Nope. Feel the slide.
Yeah, it's not wet.
Yeah. Because
It's not
we're
raining.
right. Because it's not raining outside. Yeah? But the clouds just changed.
What's
color.
Ashley doing?
Oh, there's snow.
You thought that was snow? That's what looks like a boogie board. Or something.
Hey, Mary, you want to play hide and go seek outside? Yes. You can hide.
What in the world? Because your eyes are the size of the moon.
Okay, we're playing hide and go seek outside.
I think I gotta find Mare.
Yeah, me too. Then me and Sandra have to hide.
There she is! Ow! Tripping over branches. There's water in that too. See?
Let's play mud tunnel.
No,
Let's
Mares,
try
you don't
something.
have mud shoes on.
Let's just play. Look at the goats. Say,
Let's play look at the goats.
Where's Halo? Let's just play. When did they get a black goat?
Moo Moo?
That's Moo.
Do you know what you want to say, Mare?
I hear it.
Oh, you didn't touch me. Ah! 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 You didn't get me. Ah! Ah! Go get Ashley. Go get Ashley. It's cold out here. You know you could just get me too. You could get me too, Mary. I'm just standing here. Ah!